On this short quick video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram login problem. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps and then go to the Instagram app, click on the permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions, especially the storage permission. Go back and now click on the storage or the internal storage, click on clear data and click on delete and then click on clear cache. Go back and now you have to go to the settings of your phone again. Open the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it for 6 seconds and disable it again. That's it. Now all what you want to do is go back to the Wi-Fi here, click on it. Now disable the Wi-Fi and enable it. Restart your phone, reopen Instagram, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video.